Yo people, what you telling me? I'm here to let you know that if you missed out on the last chance to be involved in the Road to Release, don't worry, we're back, we got you.
Linking up with Wolverhampton Art Gallery and Youth Music to bring you the official Road to Release program. Road to Release is the 1-week bootcamp designed to help you release your music the right way. You'll get to build and connect with industry pros, sharpen your skills and get your music out there your way. So we're looking for 6 up-and-coming artists. So whether you're a rapper or singer, age 18 to 25, from Wolverhampton and the surrounding areas that are sitting on some heat that they're ready to set the world alight with. Together, we're going to put in some work on your chosen piece of music, get you ready for the stage and help you release it to the world whilst navigating the industry as an independent artist so you can start reaping the benefits. All you need is your music and your phone. It's simple.
So if you're serious about elevating your music to the next level, then make sure you scan our QR code and click the link in the bio, and I'll see you there.
Exclusive, behind the scenes.
Realising that networking connections is so important, and just establishing that for yourself as an artist, not just the music that you put out, but if you don't know what you're doing after that or before that, you kind of lost.
Be there in the moment, be present, literally take everything in, bring a notebook, just take everything in. It's crazy. Take everything in, it's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. It's crazy. Take everything. It's crazy. I didn't take everything in. I'll be honest. I didn't take everything in. I didn't take everything in. I just took knowledge in. If you want to take everything in, that's up to you. Yeah.
I feel like it's been very impactful in terms of my career as a whole. It's really been put into perspective that, like, okay, this is something that I can do. Everyone's just so supportive. Everyone's so talented, and I'm seeing so much potential collabs and just other things that I can do in the future. But like, I feel like I'm gonna take this and just use the momentum and hit the ground running from this.
You'd see the Nike swoosh, you know that's Nike. You see the Adidas 3 stripes, you know that's Adidas. You get me? What makes you stand out? What's personal to you? That's like the biggest piece of advice I took. So.
I've always struggled with what I should write about and what I'm allowed to write about, and coming here has just made me realise that it's your music, it's your art, you can do whatever you want.
And said he wanted to leave. Hey, Wally, tell him that.
If you're gonna leave, then leave. Hate a man that comes back later. What I look like letting you back inside after I done told my neighbour. Who sounds like Tyrese? My Shayla. Sorry man, that's stranger danger. Being yam just ain't my nature. Cause naturally I'm player. You won't work if you move in para. You could post that and watching face, man. For all I care, you could've wear a bandana. You see, when it was my turn, I found out niggas
Road to Release Cohort 2. We're here at Wolverhampton Art Gallery. It's your boy Reaper right now. Yo, Road to Release. Myself Reaper. You get me? Cohort 2. All that malarkey. We're live in Wolverhampton City Centre right now. Shout out, read the title. You get me? Yo, what am I telling them? Yo, right now. Turn it up right now. Pour it up, light it up right now. Become it up right now. And the man are getting stuck right now outside. I said it's peak outside. 4 man creep in the blacked out ride, better hide. When we seek outside, because man I got things on the side like.
Man said that I run out of bars. Me like shit, can't run out of bars. Move on the mic, man, I'm move so calm. Move on the mic, man, I'm so composed. Composure, lads, like Dave said, this is real rap, not pretend. If I said it on a mic, no, I mean it. If I said it on a mic, no, I look like B to the day. Should I spray nights on my shots to the day. What did you say? Spin that block, then I spin the estate. Say, boy, what you say? I be spinning these bitches like Beyblade. I don't want no hoe on a payday. If I come for you, what did you say? I kill a T.
I'm from WV, still. Anybody troubling me, still. Can't come on in OB, still. Looking at NCB. I'm from WV. Anybody troubling me, still. Can't come on in OB, still. Look.
Let me cook. I don't even need a cook, but
I can do this with my eyes closed. I don't even need to look, goose. That's how I choose who gon' lose. Next pick, dip, do. That's how I knew it was you. I'ma hit it with the eeny meeny. That's how I knew it was the truth.
Tryna stack this cash, tryna have racks in abundance. Not talking GTA when I say that we gotta crunch these numbers. I'm in a car tryna crash these bumpers. Step on the stage with the girl though. Back in the past with the girl they passed. Now we on attack with the girl they love this. But I don't know what love is, so there's no way I could love them. Don't ever send me love hearts. If you do that then go click unsend. Cause I'm only loving the M's. Like road talk now man, don't pay them. Do this from PM to AM man, work hard, don't move like a waste man.
Reverse that with a bop and a lean. My things told me I'm way too mean. It contradicts, they're trying to join my team. Contract ended in 2019. Got a taxi so trying to roll with me like
Hold me down and been the realest. No one in this world can never top this type of sweetness. Mary Jane, I'm feeling higher like I'm Venus. And I'm staring at her features as she screeches. She screeches that she loves me. She wants to be my wife, so put nobody else above me. She said me I'm a shit, she wants me now, she wants to fuck me. Slow down, let's do this properly. I don't really do this one night fling. Hold you on a rap you in my arms and ting. Dash where your man and then call me again. Calling up my niggas, start asking your friends. I make sure that they're single. Cause right now, girl, it's getting detrimental. If my girl finds out, don't say she won't, cause there's potential. Fuck that, it's monumental. Jev.
To take a toll, I can't full off, I gotta focus on the paper door and how I'm gonna make it home. My baby saying take it slow, I'm on a money run. Listen, I don't need to sign a deal. Money on my mind for real. Down up on my arse, I had to get up and go grind for real. Time is money, I've got money, ain't got time for real. Saying where's the music, but I'm saying in due time is still. Look, don't know about the risk I took. Comfy when I step inside the store to find the different looks like 5K on different books. Nigga, I'm hella lit. If you want it sauce, call my phone and I got everything.
And we fly straight, something like the Rockets do. Sat up in my room, counting cash with a spliff or two. Talking on the net, if it's beef then you can catch corn. And his dumbbells will beat his chest like gorillas do. 3 5s, 25 and US 2 for 90. White and B 10 each, the cats turn into zombies. There's always two angles of a story like a B-roll. Why you think I always see roll?
I turn up on the beach, yeah, I'm on one. Feeling like a Monica, I lost my mind, I'm so gone. Karma did me dirty, but I swear she did me so wrong. I isolate myself and sort the shit, but man, it's so long. Forgetting who I am, but nigga, I'm a go-getter. Rapping motherfuckers, nigga, I'm the trendsetter. I'm not a road you, I'm steadily rolling with my wetter. Too many rainy days, I hope it only gets better. My lungs are full of Cali, but I call it therapy. I don't want your girl, but bro, she's probably hurting me and searching me. But I'm never chasing a hoe, cause when I really think about it, I ain't letting it go.
I don't smoke the herb, you can smell it on my breath. And may God bless the man who finna let me cigarettes. I got the weight of the world and I'm dealing with the stress, but it's blessed. Rhyming couplets make these bitches drop their pantyhose and make these niggas duck like when the shotty goes. Blow, boom, bam, pow. How you like me now? A stupid sergeant major with a stupid twisted flavor. Y'all niggas sweet like Hershey Kisses, Jolly Ranchers, and some now or laters. When you want this beef, nigga, now or later. Hop out that water like a motherfucking alligator. Couple shots, saying to the essence, nigga, see you later. I've been spitting since Pops left the trap, so you know the flow covered in residues of crack. And I spit a 16, I had these niggas coming back. Now everybody want me on their motherfucking track, look.
Yeah, like chick can't run out of bars. Feel like I've entered flow state, my bars mint, so I call that Colgate. If I get locked, it went before awesome. Bars so fireball, you can go ask them. My pen set fire with the words that I write. I know that I roll in a beamer, blacked out whip, so I might not see ya. 110 kicks, no I don't wear feeler. No tech fleece, man, I rock them jeans. Can't feel quite a zip when it's cold in the winter. Ice out wrist and I might be freezing. Run out of breath and I'll end up wheezing. Or one.
Hey, yo, look, hopped off the P5. Bro, the smoke to a P5. Now I was feeling waving like the seaside. And I'm feeling waving like the seaside. Shorty wanna be mine. Told her that she buzzing like a beehive. Said he wants tea. Told her pull up base tea time. I was in a trap with my bro, call it tea time. We was running low to the fiends that it's feed time. Now we back up to the it's yo. I'm the king like Kenny B, you fucking with an all-star. But I got Jeep, they be calling me a ay, the way I hit it, she be calling me a porn star. Then I be cough with my crib tryna, yo, can't fuck with them niggas, man, they too soft. Now I just fuck with my niggas, that's a goon squad. I can't fuck with them niggas, man, they too soft. Man, I just fuck with my niggas, that's the
yeah, this track like Doppy, so ain't shit funny. Bro, I said what, born unlucky. Tryna be those rock stars, my bro's too cocky. But he rolls on my side, so these guys can't bot me. Couldn't ever touch me, said you couldn't touch this. Couple tough guys snapping half like chopsticks. I ain't on the phone if it ain't about profit. So if it ain't money, then you best off stop it. My brother told me calm down, acted to alarm now. Power in the streets, I can never put my arms down. Fuck a second place, I ain't spitting for no half pound. Capturing this flag and spin it back and make it our town. I had to tell her hold on, she ain't got no clothes on. Said that I hold her down stable like a proton. I don't got, come on.
Road2Release, grime settings, you know how we do. Charlie, R1, Liv, Jensen up in the stands. We've shut it down. Cohort 1 had nothing on this.